Alright, you guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's get into this new wig. Alipearl hair. This gold box was giving what it needs to give with this pink ribbon that says love is eternal. Come through, Alipearl. I was definitely feeling a gold box with this beautiful ribbon, okay? But let's get into the details of what's in the box. Come through, Alipearl hair. Inside the box came the wig, and of course, Alipearl always send out some goodies in their box, like lashes, a wig cap, and then a satin bag to keep the wig in, of course, your elastic band, and then your comb for your edges, your edge brush, okay? So there go the pink satin bag that you can store your wig in. Alright, so getting to the wig, this is how the wig looks right off the box. This is a glueless unit. It's a glueless wig, 5x5 closure. And when I tell you this wig came pre-ready to be put on, it was pre-ready to be put on. It's glueless, so you don't need no any adhesive to put it on. Right out of the box, the headline looks so beautiful. The texture of the wig is so soft. You can see it through the camera, okay? The lace was soft, okay? The details of the hairline and the lace and the closure was just giving, okay? So this is how the wig looks right out of the box. Beautiful parting space, hairline, pre-pluck, looks natural. The knots came bleached already, so you don't have to do anything to this wig. Just go ahead and put the hair. They even curl the wig for you. When I tell you Alipearl curl this wig, they curl the wig for you. All right, and now let's get into the inside of this wig. Look at how beautiful this wig is, okay? This is their 5x5 closure wig. The knots come pre-bleached for you already. The hairline is pre-plucked for you. The lace on the front, can you guys see? The lace is pre-cut for you. You do not have to do anything with this wig. You can have little to no skills to install this wig. It comes with the elastic band attached already, and it comes with some combs in the back and inside for extra security. The mesh in this cap was just beautiful, okay? Look at how this wig is made. It's perfectly made. I love the cap now. This is the new cap the wigs are being made with. This is a beautiful mesh cap, and I love how secure the tracks are sewn on to the cap. This wig is just beautiful. Look at these gorgeous curls. Oh, and by the way, this wig is 22 inches long. Okay, the curls are so beautiful. So, because this wig is glueless, so this install is going to be as quick and easy. This wig is ready to be put on. I am using my Ruby Kisses color foundation, and I'm going to rub it on the lace just to make sure that the lace is covered up with foundation just to remove that white cast of the lace. Then I put in my stocking on, my HD stocking cap, and then of course I'm going to adjust my wig, making sure that it fits my hair correctly, and when I put it on it snugs and fits my head. And now we're just going to pop this wig on real quick. Once the wig is on, like I said, this wig is pre-curl, pluck. This is how it looks. Look at those bouncy curls, okay? This is how you will get this wig if you buy it. It's pre-ready. You just have to put it on and you have some curls to go with. It comes with no baby hair, so you can leave it just like this without the baby hair in the front, or you can change it up because I wasn't feeling the no baby hair look. I think it was just too bland for my forehead. So we're going to add a little bit of baby hair to each side. Alright, so I went ahead and pulled out some baby hair, couple on each side, couple on the other side. And now I'm just going to take my pair of scissors and I'm going to cut those baby hair just to make sure they look as natural as possible, okay? After cutting my baby hair, I took my tiny flat iron and I went ahead and curled my baby hair up, okay? And then, of course, using my edge brush that Alipearl sent me, I put a little bit of spritz on it and I just slick my baby hair down. And then I'm going to take my Alipearl elastic band and I'm just going to tie this wig down. Yes, it's a glueless wig, but I want my baby hair to look as nice and flat, so I'm going to tie it down still. After tying my baby hair down, I went ahead and put the wig to the front. I wanted to give the wig a little bit of layers because the hair looks too blunt on my face. So I took my pair of scissors and I cut off a little bit of layers just to frame around my face a little bit. Alright, so you can see I did comb out some of the curls in the front to shape my face to add the layer. So I did take my 1.5, no, 1/4 curling iron and I recurled the part of my face that I cut, okay? The part that I framed my face, I used my curling iron and I recurled that part. That was pretty much all I did with this wig when it comes to styling it. Also, to make sure that the curls cool off and to make sure the curl stays put, I did use my metal clip. After I curled the hair back, I placed my metal clip to hold the curl just to make sure that the curls cool off and that the curls stays in place. Alright, so I did put like 4 curls, 2 on each side. Okay, yeah, that elastic band was tight. Did you see me say ouch when I release it? Okay, but that's it. I went in here and took the metal clip out. Okay, and then I'm just gonna comb through so you guys can see how beautiful this wig is. Okay, this body wig is so pretty, and I'm so glad I did cut to give me a little bit of shape in the front because it was just blunt to my face. But after I added the layers, you can see how nice the curls are flowing now. It gave it a little bit of fullness to my face and it framed my face so beautiful. So I was in love with the end results of this wig, okay? Ooh, and look at that. I even went in here and I put the hair in a ponytail just to show you guys that yes, even though it's a 5x5 closure wig, you can get away with it being a low ponytail or a bun. Just in case you want to go get your workout on, you know, you can hold it if you want. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is Alipearl Hair Glueless Body Wave Wig. Check them out and shop on Alipearl app. On the Alipearl app, if you go on their app and shop, you get an extra 12% off using their app. So go ahead and download the app. But I will leave all the links in the description box with the app link and the links to this hair if you guys want to check it out. As always, thank you for watching. I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.